Hello, welcome back to Vipin Coding. This is our next session for our Python question series. Let's get started. Our first question is, which of the following is the use of id function in Python? First option is, every object does not have a unique id. id returns the identity of the object. Third one is all of the above. And fourth is none of the above, right? So let's see the answer for this question is id returns the identity of the object. Each object in Python has a unique id. The id function returns the object's id. Next question is, the Python program can work with parameters. This is our program written. Define function f x, define f1 arguments, print send boundary, returns x star arguments and arguments, return f1. Option 1 is any number of, second option is 0, third one is 1, and fourth is none. Then what is the answer for this question is any number of. The code shown above shows a general decorator which can work with any number of arguments. Okay. Next question is, what will be the output of the following Python function? Minimum function, maximum, false, -3, -4, 2 and 7. First one is -4, second is -3, third is 2 and fourth is false. The answer is, what will be the output for the following function, right? The answer is false. The function max is being used to find the maximum value from the among -3, -4 and false. Since the false amounts to the value 0, hence we are left with minimum 7. Hence the output is 0, false. Got it? Our next question is, which of the following is not a core data type in Python programming? The option is, first option is tuples, second is lists, third one is class, and fourth is dictionary. Answer for this is class. Class is a user-defined data type. Go to next question. Which of the following is the correct extension of the Python file? We have already discussed about this question in our previous classes. So the first option is .python, next one is .pl, third one is .py, and fourth is .p. The answer to this is .py. .py is the correct extension of the Python file. Python programs can be written in any text editor. To save these programs, we need to save in files with file extension .py. Got it? This is all about this video. Thanks for watching this.